It all starts with conversations with our business partners, homeowners, architects, developers and builders. We really value all these conversations in Bertrand, and our focus is to adapt to the requirements and needs of every market we are in. An example of adapting to the US and Canadian market are certifications and testing we have done for US and Canadian market, such as NFRC, AAMA and hurricane resistance. So we have tested UPVC, aluminum and wood-clad products for NFRC and AAMA, and also aluminum products for hurricane resistance. But that's not everything, because we also plan to test for impact different products. So with Bertrand you can sell to residential projects, but also to the commercial projects. What we have also done to adapt to the US and the Canadian market is the fact that nailing flanges are available in all our PVC windows, in aluminum constructions and also in wooden constructions. We have also added a special window line for US and Canadian market, two types of doors such as pivot doors and French doors. We have added to our offer gallant sliding doors, and we have also upgraded our screens.